Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram Instagram Reels glitch. To know how to fix Instagram Reels glitch, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. And when you will see this page, you will click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. When you will enter to storage here, you will go to clear cache, and after that you will click clear data, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi. That's so that you can know how to fix Instagram Reels glitch. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.